fountain is quite a nice, unique move as we're combining a few of the different drills that we've done throughout this course already. We've got the high drag and roll, we've got the 3-beat matador, what we learned from that, this kind of far side whip coming through, and you can even include the bowler at the start of it. And basically the rope stays behind us for every revolution of the fountain. So we're behind on the bowler, behind on the high drag and roll, and then behind into the end of the 3-beat matador. The best way to start with the fountain is to learn the middle section, and then we kind of add the ends as we go. So it begins, I'd say, start with the high drag and roll with the hands on the shoulders. Then from here, we want to keep the rope behind us, follow the overhand direction of the rope. So I'm going clockwise with my drag and roll, and I'm going to follow the direction of the rope to my right, and it's going to stay behind me, and my left hand's going to come into my armpit. So I'm going high drag and roll, the right hand stays exactly where it is on my shoulder, and it comes into my left hand comes into my right armpit. From here, I shoot the rope down with my right hand, so now my right hand moves and my left hand stays where it is, and I'm in this sort of this whipped matador here, and then it comes back in front of the body. So we're going high drag and roll, armpit, matador, through. High drag and roll, armpit, matador, through. So that's the end of the fountain. We've got 3 unique moves there. Each time we're moving, only one hand moves at a time, and the other hand stays exactly where it is. And that is the magic of this. Now let's add this front side of the fountain. And for me, I think there's several ways to get into this. I like to do this through a bowler action. So for me, I'm scooping on my far side in a bowler. So if I'm doing a clockwise drag and roll, it's my left hand that scoops and my right hand that goes behind my head. And I'm going to scoop straight into this high drag and roll in to that far side of the fountain. So with this, with the bowler, it's my right hand that goes to my shoulder. I scoop up, and it's my left hand that moves in to the shoulder. Then from there, the left hand moves again. Then the right hand moves, then the shoulder moves back to the start. So I'll just demonstrate that in one sequence. We're going to go bowler, high drag and roll, armpit, matador, in front, back to the start again. So I'll demonstrate that one more time, side on. We're going bowler, high drag and roll, matador, and out. And you can see the rope stays behind my back on every revolution until I come out of that matador into a home run, back into the bowler, and we start again. Matador, home run, bowler, behind, 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 reset. Obviously, there are 2 sides to that. If you're going clockwise with it, make sure you practice on the other side, where you're going to do opposite side bowler, opposite side high drag and roll into the other armpit. What I really like about the fountain is this kind of exposes this wrinkle that we explored with the 3-beat matador, where we separate pieces of a pattern out so that one hand moves at a time while the other hand moves, kind of like a ticking clock, and something stays in place, something else moves past it, and we can separate each part of the motion out. The rope stays behind us, and we do this kind of funny spidering action over the top. Very unique exploration. I think there's more to be explored with this as a premise of rope flow, of one thing stays static and the other moves. And I think there's going to be an evolution of this in the future, but this is a great entry point into that style of rope flow with the fountain.